At PNC, we believe some of the most basic and boring information can lead to brilliant outcomes. Today, we'll show you how to write a check step by step. Step 1. Fill out today's date in the top right corner. Step 2. Where it says pay to the order of, write the name of the person or organization that is authorized to cash the check. Make sure the name is accurate to avoid problems. Step 3. On the right side, look for the box and enter the amount in dollars and cents with 2 decimal places. Step 4. Write the payment amount in words. Fill in the dollar amount, write and add the cents in a fraction form. So 21 cents is 21 over 100. Step 5. On the lower left, you can fill out the memo line to know what the check is for. Final step, sign the check. That's it. Now you're a check writing pro. Learn more on PNC Personal Finance Insights at pnc.com/learn.